Hey guys, this is Rob at Lukat Detail. This is called the Lukat Fix-It Paint Cleaner. This is not a car wax, guys. This is a cleaner. When your paint job looks like this, when it's hazy and flat, it's gonna peel and erode if you don't clean it. So here's a wet towel. Look at this. If I go like this, look how beautiful this paint job looks. It looks beautiful like this because the paint job is contaminated, and when I put the water under, the water is refracting the light. You don't want to wax a paint job when it's in this condition because you're going to trap the contaminants that are going to erode the paint. So you want to use a cleaner. Lukat Fix-It is a paint cleaner, clear coat cleaner, carbon fiber, fiberglass, gel coat. It does it all. Acrylics, emeralds. It's not a wax. This will not shine your car. You don't need it because there's already a shine on here. It's just buried underneath years and years of contaminants. Now look at the way I hold the towel. Typically when you wax a car, you do the circles because you're masking. Here, I'm gonna go back and forth and clean the same spot. That's all I'm gonna do. And the reason why you do it is because this is not a cutter, it's a cleaner. When you put this on, it permeates slowly into the striations at the top, and it breaks it all up. Remember, the top of an oxidized paint job, it's not hard anymore. It's toasted and brittle. You got all kinds of micro cracks in there. So when you do this, you're just rubbing it into the surface. You're taking up the contamination, but you're not removing the clear coat. Okay? So here the clear coat is still intact. We're able to bring it back. This will now, it won't erode like over here. And if your paint job is eroding, clean it, guys. Don't let it get any worse. This is gonna neutralize any further erosion. We have another video that teaches you how to prep this up so you can make it almost invisible. But that's another video. Look for it. It's the one for clear coat peeling. Do this. So now I clean this with the Lukat Fix-It paint cleaner. But look, there's no wax here. That's the worst thing you can put on an ugly paint job is a wax because you're masking the problem. Fix it instead of waxing it. Now I'm gonna use Easy Wax. This is not a shine and pop wax. This is a cleaner, conditioner, sealer wax. It's really hot out here today. I'm gonna put this on and I'll show you what I mean. Can you guys see the bubbles on that? This is high temperature wax, but again, it's not shine and pop wax. It's a sealer, cleaner, conditioner. You do the circles, you work it in. This is gonna lock in that beautiful paint job that you just brought back to life and seal it up. Now, you use the Lukat Fix-It paint cleaner to clean off all the contamination. And then you use the Lukat Easy Wax to seal it and protect it. Now, if you want to wax your car, you wax it now. Or you can just leave it like that, but it's not gonna come back.
Yeah.
It is perfect, it's a beautiful paint job.
Yeah.
So remember, paint jobs when they're oxidized, clean them and they'll shine again because they all have shine in them. You can get these at lukatdetail.com, L-U-K-A-T detail.com. Join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution, guys. You don't have to be driving around with an ugly paint job anymore. There's a solution and it's right here. Join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later, guys.